Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and quick look at these outdoor shoes. AKU ROCKET DFS, which means dual fit system, GTX, Goretex. I have them here in color blue/mustard. I have a size 310. My feet are like 305 millimeters, so I will give you like an impression how it fits. So now let's take a look at the shoes. You can see the color. It's like a dark blue and a yellow, I don't know, or mustard. I would like call it more of a greenish yellow, not so much like light yellow. The stiffness, it's like not so hard, but I think it's like a good hardness. The second shoe is basically the same. It's like a rubber. You have the Vibram. Now these slugs, if it will be seen on camera, they are like 2 layers. So if one goes down like after use, then you have still the second one, which is a nice feature. It is actually even free, if you can see it. Yeah, Goretex inside. It's like the more higher quality Goretex, because I see often in Salomon it's like more rough. Big shoes in the back. Here is like only a small one, and here on the top it's softer, so it might be better for fit. Here's the dual fit system, which I will show you in close detail. Yeah, so let's try these on. I have a thinner sock to see if they fit my feet well. So we have the dual fit system, which is the inner lace, which is like for hiking or walking, normal stuff. And then when you need the stiffer feet, you just use the dual fit and wrap it. I will try it now without it, just how it fits for me. Now let's try the dual fit system. Just put it is much more stiffer now. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, size wise for me it's perfect. I think these will like a little bit widen over time, so I will have even more space after, like for hiking. Okay, so let's wrap things up with these shoes, AKU ROCKET. Size wise for me they are perfect, because like as I said, I have 305 millimeters feet and these are 310. I have a little bit of space, and I think with the materials they will get a little bit bigger, few millimeters give or take. And yeah, so for me perfect. As far as the sole, it's stiff, like just the right way for me, for the type of use I want to do, like hiking in the mountains, in the not so good of a weather because of the Goretex. I think these are not well suited for summer hikes because my feet sweat a lot. The dual fit system, I think it's perfect because if you want just a normal hiking, you use the shoelace, and then when you need like more stiffer feet, you use the quick fit, I guess. The materials overall, I think it's very good quality. Only thing I don't like so much is the look personally. The yellow is like too greenish for me, but that's not as important as the function for me, and the price, which I got them for a pretty good price, around 80 euros I think, which is insane. Yeah, so the sole is also good, and I'm looking forward to trying these in the mountains, and maybe in the future I will bring you like a long-term review if you are interested. I for sure am, because to me they seem like very good quality, and before I bought them I haven't heard about AKU brand. I guess it's something like La Sportiva. It's from Italy. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.